Hey everyone, and welcome back. Before we begin here today, please make sure that you like and subscribe because it really does help out our channel, and it also helps us reach others who want to test their math skills with these types of test questions. So what we have going on here is our math skills test series, and this will be our 19th video in this series. And we have to determine which one of these two values shown on the screen is larger. So we have 1.0025 to the power of 400 versus e times the cosine of 2 pi. Alrighty, and we are not going to use a calculator to determine what is going on here because, well, we don't need one. So let's focus on this right side of the expression, or the right side here with e cosine of 2 pi. Well, what is 2 pi? Well, 2 pi is just going to be 2 pi radians, which is equal to 360 degrees. Well, 2 pi is essentially equal to 0 radians, which is equal to 0 degrees, because 2 pi radians and 360 degrees is just a complete rotation of a circle all the way around, forming a full circle. So essentially what we have here is cosine of 2 pi, which is equal to the equivalent of cosine of 0 radians or 0 degrees, which when you have cosine of 0, that gives you 1. Alrighty, so now my expression on the right side becomes e times 1, which is just essentially e. So what is e? E is a mathematical constant, which is equal to 2.71828 and a lot of other non-repeating decimal points and decimal values. So that is what my right side is equal to, is basically e. Alrighty, so let's focus on the left side now. And let's do the left side in blue. So we'll focus on our left side now. Well, let's see, what is 0.0025 in fraction form? Well, that is going to be 25 over 10,000, which when we simplify that down becomes 1 over 400. So I can rewrite this expression as 1 plus 1 over 400 to the power of 400. Well, what is this thing? Well, this thing is actually in the form of a binomial theorem. The binomial theorem is in the form of 1 plus 1 over n to the power of n. Well, what the heck is this thing? Well, this binomial theorem actually calculates or really approximates e. So as n gets larger, so as n in your fraction and n as your power gets larger and larger and larger and larger, it will get closer in value to e, but not going over it, if, of course, you calculate it correctly. So even if we have n to the power of 1 million here, and then, of course, 1 plus 1 over 1 million, it would still not be larger than e. Because this binomial theorem, once you take the limit to n going to infinity, that would be e. Well, we definitely don't have that amount in our power here of n, or division of n here. So this left side expression will always be less than e. So we don't even really have to calculate out what this value is in number form, in an actual answer, because it's in the binomial theorem form, which is used to calculate e. But it will always be less than e unless you approach infinity as your limit of your power. So to answer the question, which one is larger? Well, it's going to be my right side will be larger. So my left side will be less than e cosine of 2 times pi. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a new math skill from it. And if you want to test your abilities even further, please check out the other videos on our channel, as this is the 19th part in the series. And of course, we have other topics on our channel. Also, if you haven't done so already, please like this video, leave a positive comment below, and subscribe to the channel, because all of that does assist us here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.